bengabe ukuthi ama companies adayisa imoto ayikho into abangayenza ngoOwenZitha in Maritzburg. Une caliber, he speaks sense. Akaze simbone edakiwe, sikaze simbone ephethe ibhodlela la beer, sikaze simbone eshaya intombazana, sikaze simbone promoter udlana. Ake sizibuze nje ukuthi nina enilapho kuma car dealerships nimbona lo mntwana ningeni kwazi ukuthi nimsebenzise kwi-industry yenu ukuthi anpromothele imoto ngoba njengamanje ama car dealerships are literally struggling to sell their cars. Reason why imoto eziningi zama China efikile manje senza ukuthi competition ibe difficult, but uma ngathiwa ama companies ayambuka lo mntwana ukuthi ambuke ohlangothini lokuthi what will they gain if bekuthiwa bamthatha uOwenZitha bamsebenzisa bamnika imoto iyabhalwa ukuthi oOwenZitha, thereafter wherever he is uyakhuluma umeduze kwemoto yakhe, uyakhuluma uchaza ngemoto yakhe, uyakhuluma uthela upetrol uchaza ngemoto yakhe. Sibuke nje ukuthi ama companies anjalo awakaza nayicabange lento. Sinama companies amaningi esinawo around ukuthi nje ngeke yini ba benefita something. Kukhona into abangayibenefita ngoba lo mntwana right uma esenjeya ngoba usengasebenziseka for the good cause, for the good purpose. Usengasebenziseka kakhulu because he speaks a lot of sense. He speaks a lot of sense. Yebo, he speaks a lot of sense. Speaks a lot of sense. Ngiyakuthanda ke lokuyana ukuthi sibe nomntwana onjeyana but okwi social media ongeke ngelanga athi uyaxolisa ukuxoxa statement sakhe ukuthi no cha, but siyabonga kakhulu nje ukuthi sibe nomntwana ofana lo. Sithi ake sibheke nje ukuthi bangalahlekelwa yini uma ngathiwa nje bamsebenzisa. Ngiyabona nje laba umbheda into esende umbheda untakazo ngabhebhana emkhulu lento mina. Ngifuna mina sibheke into enemali South Africa. Zimoto zisitakile azikwazi ukudayiseka but ziyadinga ukuthi zingasidayisa kanjani.